Today I am discussing about Microsoft Office 365 user management, user and administrator management. Where the question will be arise, how can I understand and how can we manage user in Office 365 cloud? Actually, Office 365 is a cloud-based management services which is provided by Microsoft. And how to manage administrator in Office 365. In Office 365 can be a multiple administrator and can be a multiple users. So so I am here to creating a user. For first I need to create a user. In this blog, I will explain how to create user in Office 365 in cloud environment. First, you need to log in your Microsoft Office 365 admin portal. As you aware about the Office 365 admin portal is admin.microsoft.com. With the admin privileges, you need to log in. Click on active users and list will be appear. You need to click over here. Once you will click over here, there will be option add user. As you can check over here, add user. And here you can change. I am the admin of this Office 365 account. So once we will click on add user. The pop-up will be appear. We need to enter the basic detail about the user, user name, user detail, user which domain we need to assign to the user. In as we can say in Office 365 environment, in cloud based environment we can add multiple domain. This is our cleaning.info in my custom domain. So similar kind of domain we can add over here. So current my domain is this. I have selected this domain. The user I have selected. Over here you can check it. I I have set automatic created password. So user don't I don't wanna give the privilege to user can change their password by own self. Okay. So once you will uncheck the password center and click next. User in this as I told you, you cannot change password when we will uncheck. Okay. So So I have selected over here. You can check over here. Send password in email upon completion. Once user is created, once user is given after the user details and domain and which email ID will receive the user detail. So here I have mentioned my name over here and my domain. Okay, and click to next. Have selected the business standard. Okay, I have selected over here fine. Here I need to assign the product license. Which license should we give to the user? So we can customize the user product. It's upon to the requirement. Once you will click over here app application, you will check the details about which add-on you don't want to give to the user, that user, like Excel, Word, Skype, Meeting, Microsoft Meeting, and Yandex and projects. Whatever you want to assign, you can assign over here and click next. And over here you can check. This is the important part. For it is an important part here, which access we are providing to the user. So I have selected over here user, no admin access center. So here I have selected no admin access to the user, so user cannot access my admin page. So once I done, click next and click to finish and click to finish. Now you can also reset the password. Once you have created the password user, click over the user, on the user, and just click on, there is a key button, just click on reset password. You can reset password from there also, and you will receive the password, user password, in your email id. So I have created user, I have received email password. So I'm trying to log in from created, new created user. So you can check over here, Tariq at srcleaning.info. So once we first on this, once we need to username then password. In Office 365 environment, we need to authenticate to the user. Okay, so we need to authenticate to the user. Yeah, you can authenticate by user by phone number and by Microsoft Authenticator application. Once authentication done, click next, next. Once next, then user can log in there. Okay, so now I have logged into the my personal account, which is created. You can check over it, which is new created user. I have logged into the Outlook this Office. You can check over here on the URL outlook.office365.com. As I told you, this is a Office 365 and Azure. This is a Microsoft product, it's cloud-based product. So, as I told you, standard user password had login to the created as a standard user, and once you have login, you can go to the Microsoft Office 365 Center and download your product. Whatever admin has assigned to the product, you can download on only that product. Like I need to download premium Microsoft application, which I will include, like Excel, Office, Excel, Word, Skype, and Yandex, and projects, and Microsoft Meeting. So, so click and install application, select app and download it. Microsoft setup file will be downloaded, and now you can click and install it. This is the process. This is the step one process to create user. How can we create user? How to log in? How to authenticate user? And how to download a user application, user assigned application, how to install application. This is the process. So over here you can check Microsoft Office, Excel, project, OneDrive, Outlook, Team, Exchange server, Exchange online, Exchange server online. Okay, and note, this is the product is assigned, I have assigned to that Sharik user. Okay, so once you will install, you will all product will be listed. So now we are jumping on the on to how can we add admin user in Microsoft Office 365. What is the process to create new user as a admin privilege? So click on same policy, same method. We need to upload. We need to check up similar to how can I use standard user. How to I added a standard user. So over here you can click add admin and user in Microsoft Office 365. Fill the required field, like so. Here I have filled my query panel. As I told you before, querypanel.com is my blog site, where this thing you can also check out the steps. How can I have, how to add user, how to manage user. So just fill the basic detail about the user over here, and uncheck the user cannot, admin also cannot change their password, because global admin we need the everything in there in his hand. Suppose if I'm a global admin, I want everything. My sub admin don't I don't want to give the I don't want to give the privilege to user cannot, that admin cannot change the password. So like this we can do that. So here, over here, here's the password authentication content, and global admin will receive all the admin password, register email ID, which they will receive all the admin. So you can check over here. Same email ID I have used on are also in user authentication. So I have selected this, and you need to select the location. Where is your location? And whatever your location you will select, it's depend on you and it's depend on your geographically location. So once you have select this, no, no, this is the important part for admin user. Before we have selected user, there was no admin access. Now here I am selecting what I am selecting. I am selecting admin access center. Okay. So if you can check over here, I have selected exchange server administrator. Right? I am selecting global administrator. I am also selecting global administrator. So here will be my global administrator. Once this will done, you can check. There is so many option. You can check. It's upon to you. I have there. I have given here 5 or 6 option. User can do that. This admin, sorry, if this admin user can do that, select administrator role, okay, and click finish. Now finish and done. So this is the process to create admin user in Office 365 cloud environment. You can also say and cloud based environment. You can also say. Once you can check our query panel added active user. Added active user. So this is the detail which which you can check over here. Over here. So this is the ad. No, once you are logged in to the admin user, go to the admin.microsoft.com, authenticate user with username and user password. And once you have login office.com or admin.office.com or admin.microsoft.com, or you can also log in office.com. Once you have login in administrator privilege, which you have created, and new admin user, you can check over here. Admin will be display over here. So you are the admin over here on this scenario. So these are the steps how to create a standard user to Office 365 Cloud. And this is the also second way steps I have shown over here. How to create admin user. This is the simple steps. It's a very easy. You can say as I can in my in a day we can read we can complete Office 365. That's not a very difficult task, as I thought and as I believe it's very easy task. And for me, not for me, for everyone. Thanks for watching, brother and sister and guys. Hope you will be okay in every scenario. Thanks for watching. Thank you.